Hey there, science pals. I'm Professor Sneezington, and today we're asking, can you sneeze with your eyes open? Let's grab our sneeze-inducing tools and find out. Alright, here goes nothing. Achoo! Wow, eyes definitely closed. Let's peek inside our brain. See those flashing signals? That's our brain's protective reflex. But I'm not giving up. Maybe if I try really, really hard. Achoo! Nope, eyes closed again. Looks like our bodies are smarter than we think. Can you sneeze with your eyes open? The answer is a big no. But hey, at least we learned something new.